You can see the pictures of cars here. It's a very beautiful car. Very nice racing car with the smoke, yellow. Very nice car, a white one with the background, and a nice car with the blackish color. Nice black car. This black car with the greenish lights and white headlights. A white car driving on the highway. It's a very nice car with the good lights. A car racing car with the good tires. A very nice red car with the good headlights. A black car with the pinkish lights. A really nice decorated car with indigo flowers. A nice car with the white headlights. A good car background with the good round color lights, red lights. A very nice car at evening with the dim lights. And car standing at night. Oh wow, beautiful car running on the jungle. Nice car is being driven in the mountains. A nice car with the good backlights. Car in the snow is drifting. Car at night, very gloomy and nice. A white car with the good backlights. Wow, ring color lights. Nice car with the good fire on and top speed. A car standing nearby the sunset. It's a very rainy day and a nice car. Thank you.